Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna guide you through how to get Bybit account verified. So open Bybit app, right? And click your profile icon at the top left. And you can see that I already verified my account. But if you haven't, you could just click that verified method or the unverified button, right? And you can see that my security level is low. Okay, so go ahead to the identity verification button inside your settings, and you can go ahead and basically provide your credentials. Your name matches the document ID in the country of issues, or the country of issue. So if your name is this, match it with the identity card, passport, driver license, whatever, in the country of issue, right? And basically, you're gonna give access to Bybit, so they can take a scan of your document, right? And they're gonna verify, of course, using their machine, and in a matter of minutes, you're gonna receive an email approving your verification method. And once you verify your identification, then you're gonna be able to buy crypto, sell. You can smoothly use Bybit. So consider liking this video, subscribe. Until next time, see you.